During the supine lat pulldown, the upper torso is leaned back to an angle that is almost parallel to the floor, typically around 80 to 90 degrees compared to the 30-degree angle of the traditional lat pulldown. This angle may place greater emphasis on the lower lats and middle back. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a wide grip bar to the lat pulldown machine. Adjust the seat height so your feet are flat on the floor and position the knee pad to secure your legs. Stand up and grasp the bar with an overhand grip, hands wider than shoulder width apart with your palms facing away from you. Sit back down on the seat while holding the bar, then lean your upper torso back until it is almost parallel to the floor. Ensure your feet are firmly planted on the ground for stability. Before starting the movement, pull your shoulder blades back and down, puff out your chest, keep your back straight, and keep your head in neutral position to avoid straining your neck. Engage your core muscles to maintain stability throughout the exercise. Inhale as you pull the bar down toward your upper chest while focusing on using your back muscles rather than your arms to pull the bar down. Drive your elbows down and back. Avoid using momentum or swinging in the body. The movement should be controlled. As the bar reaches your upper chest, squeeze your shoulder blades together and engage your lats. Hold this position for a brief moment to maximize muscle contraction. Exhale as you slowly extend your arms, allowing the bar to return to the starting position. Maintain the supine position throughout the movement. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.